Thank
Okay,
you.
good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Intisar Durham. I am the senior judge for this presentation. This is the 90-second presentation, correct?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. So I have a short announcement before you get started. I'm just going to let you know that for this 90 seconds, please imagine that you are an employee of the company and you encounter an executive who asks why sustainable development is important and how it is linked to the team's topic. You have 90 seconds in which to convince the executive why this needs to be addressed. One member of the team will do this only, so please designate a spokesperson. There will be no Q&A, and after you're all done, I'll provide some feedback. You have the floor. You could start now.
Good morning. We started our foundation in 1964, emphasizing our commitment to protecting and conserving biodiversity all across the globe, with an emphasis on life in the sea. However, in recent years, Seaworld has faced a variety of backlash. More specifically, it has faced legal repercussions over its usage of fireworks. Seaworld contributes to the over 60,300 tons of carbon dioxide that are emitted into Earth's atmosphere in 1 year, spiking air pollution levels by up to 42% on a given day. How can SeaWorld claim that it cares about its animals when it fails to consider the irreversible damage it does in 1 day? Why, when we have the time, the resources, and the audience, do we continue to harm and kill these animals, even when we have a more financially advantageous option, a more sustainable one? Drone shows. In one simple switch, we can remind the world why we exist in the first place. We here at SeaWorld exist to remind the world that it must change. And in order to prove that, we must be willing to change too. For the sake of the company, for the sake of the park, but most importantly, for the sake of the animals. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Again, this was 90 seconds, right? You don't have any more speakers, correct? Cool. I have to tell you, I have not looked at your at the summary for your topic before, and I got it. So in 90 seconds, I truly got what you're passionate about, what you're trying to address, and all of that. So if I was an executive at Seaworld, standing with you in the elevator, and you're telling me giving me this information, I would have definitely gotten it. So good job. Good job, Yair. Good job to the team, I'm sure. So thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you for the opportunity to talk about something that's at the heart of what makes Uber work, our drivers. They're not just names on the screen or tiny little cars on a map. They're real people, moms, dads, students, veterans, retirees, who rely on Uber as their only source of income or as a supplemental source of funds to support their families and themselves. They're the reason a single mom can get to her part-time job or a traveler can make their flight on time early in the morning. Those drivers power this company. But right now, our compensation model puts them in a tough spot. No guaranteed wages, no benefits, and no long-term security. They deserve fairness from us. The Uber drivers are the heart and soul of our business model. And being fair to them just isn't an ethical issue, it's a business issue. A company that depends on people but doesn't support them, that's not built to last. That is not a sustainable business model. Public perception is shifting. Regulations are tightening, and if we don't get ahead of these, we won't just lose trust, we'll lose the very drivers who keep Uber running. So what's the solution? It's simple. Real choice, a two-path business model. Let's give the drivers the flexibility they love, but also the stability and benefits they so many need. Not everyone wants the same thing, and we don't have to force them into a one-size-fits-all model. This isn't about checking a compliance box. It's about proving that our company values people as much as profits. Because when drivers feel supported, they stay. When they think we are treating them fairly, they stay. They provide better service, and that makes our company stronger. This is our chance to lead. So let's set the standard instead of scrambling to meet regulations. If we act now, we're not just reacting to change, we're defining the future of this industry. And that's the kind of Uber that is sustainable business model. Thanks for the chance to speak about this sustainability issue and how critical it is to the ethical issue of fairness to Uber drivers.
Good job, Sean. I got it. I got your point. I sensed your how much you care about the subject matter. I totally understood how sustainable growth should be the driver and being in front and ahead of the issue. Got it in 90 seconds. So yeah, good job. Good job, team.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Sean.
Imagine a world on the brink. Our planet chokes on 12% of global emissions from meat production. Deforestation ravages our lands, and every kilo of meat guzzles 15,000 liters of water. Meanwhile, a health crisis looms. 70% of Mexicans, adults suffer from obesity and diabetes, claims 1 in 10 lives. Our current path is unsustainable and deadly. Our bold proposal transforms the menu with mushrooms. Imagine a burger with a 50-50 blend of meat and mushrooms, nearly halving water use and cutting thousands of tons of CO2 emissions each year. Fully mushroom-based options offer more fiber, vitamins, and even fewer saturated fats than burgers. This is boosting the nutritional quality of the burgers that we're proposing. The community mushroom is growing, and it further empowers people, and it promotes self-sufficiency and delivers essential nutrition education. The planet and consumers alike are demanding radical change. With this innovation, McDonald's will lead the charge against environmental degradation and poor nutrition. We will transform fast food into a powerful tool to combat obesity and climate change, captivating a new generation that prioritizes ethics, health, and sustainability. The time to act is now. Let's leave behind an unsustainable path and embrace a future where we have solutions for a healthier, greener tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Patrick. You did a good job. Again, I on purpose did not look through the executive summary for your team's presentation, and I was able in 90 seconds to get exactly the gist of it and why it is so important. So thank you for a comprehensive, good, well-executed summary. Thank you.
In recent years, oil spills have become an alarming environmental crisis. Just in 2023, Chevron reported 80 spills, releasing nearly 8,000 gallons of oil. By 2025, a $740 million damage ruling in Louisiana wetlands underscored the severity of these disasters. Traditionally, oil dispersants are used for cleanup, but they come at a cost. They're toxic, harm marine life, damage the ecosystem, and pose serious health risks to coastal communities. That's where EcoTress Solutions comes in, with an innovative, eco-friendly approach, hair mats and hair booms. It might surprise you, but human hair and animal hair is an incredible absorbent. 1 kilogram, which is approximately 2.2 pounds, of hair can soak up to 5 times its weight in oil. Our products repurpose hair salon clippings into biodegradable tools for cleanup. No chemical or no harm. And we know how it works. Back in 2010, during the BP Deepwater Horizon spill, 300,000 hair booms and 40,000 hair mats were used to help contain the disaster. Even better, all the hair is ethically sourced from salons, engaging the public and promoting responsible environmental action. By embracing sustainable alternatives like this, we have directly supported 2 UN Sustainable Development Goals, being life underwater and responsible consumption and production. At EcoTrust, at EcoTress Solutions, we do not propose cleaning up oil. We propose how to respond to environmental crisis.
All right.
you.
Well, thank you so much. You did a really, really good job in summarizing it, and you told me something I had no idea. So I learned something today. So again, as a thank you very much. You did a great job. Your delivery was smooth, and you obviously know the subject matter. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.